This video I'll be talking to you about investing your money or saving your money in the bank, which is best for yourself. I'll talk the pros and the cons between these two, and I'll also help you dissect this so you can actually know the best way to gain financial freedom. If you're new to my channel, I am Mizero Emmanuel, your brother from another mother, dropping business and investment tips every week to help you grow wealth. My discussions are based on experience. I invest in stock, crypto, and in business. If you're looking to grow wealth, this is the right place for you. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and smash the like button. Now, without wasting much of your time, I'll just go straight into the video, talk about the pros and the cons between saving and investing your money, and give you all the juicy stuff you're here for. Before I talk about the pros and the cons between saving and investing, it's best for us to understand what these two are. So what's saving? Saving is the act of setting cash aside for future use. This cash can be saved in the bank, in the house, attic, under the bed, anywhere. As long as you're saving the money and not using it, you're saving it for future use. Investing, on the other hand, is making use of your money to buy assets that will yield profit in the future. These assets come in the form of stock, government bonds, crypto, real estate, commodities, and lots more. Now, saving your money means you're not spending your money. You're either keeping it in the bank or in the house for future use. Now, if you keep your money in the house, it means that that money will not generate any interest for yourself. However, if you take your money and put it in the bank, depending on the kind of bank you have your money in, you have some interest given to yourself after the 12th calendar month. Now, it varies between banks. You could get a bank that will give you up to 1% interest rate, or you get a bank that will give you less than 1% interest rate of your money. Some banks will even pay 0.05% interest at the end of the financial year. This means if you have $1,000 saved in the account, at the end of the financial year, what you get back is about 5 cents interest given to yourself. The best thing about saving is that your money is always there for you. So whenever you need money, you can walk straight into your bank or somewhere in your house, pick that money and solve the problem you need at present. Saving is also good when you have short-term projects like buying a car or having a down payment for your mortgage. The downside of saving is that the purchasing power of your money may be reduced due to inflation. Inflation is the rise in the cost of goods and services. For example, the price of your favorite bread going from $150 to $160. Key points to note before I get the investing discussion rolling. Investing cannot be achieved without you saving first. Investing is a long-term gain. Before you choose to invest, it's best for you to have an emergency fund as a backup. This emergency fund should be set aside for rainy days. This is because investing money is risky. Sometimes the market gets bearish and people tend to lose money. However, it is important to note that when a market is bearish, it only bearish for a period of time, and after a while, money loss can still be regained. There are several ways you can invest your money. You can choose to invest in a business, you can choose to invest in stock, crypto, government bonds, real estate, whatever form of investment you want to. Investing in stock, which is buying shares of organizations, can give you a massive return on your investment compared to leaving your money saved up in the bank. There are several ways of buying shares. You can buy shares of a single organization, or you can buy an exchange traded fund like an S&P 500. Now, an annual return on S&P 500 give to yourself is between 8 to 10%. So let's assume that you invested 1,000 in the S&P 500. This means that at the end of the year, you are rewarded 80 quid of your 1,000. This is far better than the 5 cents your 1,000 would bring to yourself. If you let your money stay longer, you stand a chance of earning compound interest on your money, which means you have interest given to your principal and also interest given to the interest you have acquired over time. If you invest in a single organization, you stand a chance of getting 40+% return on your investment. Investing in crypto can give you over 1,000% return on investment depending on the coin purchased. Bitcoin was 3,500 at some point in 2019. In 2021, Bitcoin did a record high of just over $60,000, and this is just a space of 2 years. It's clear to see that investing money is the gateway to financial freedom. This is no wonder in the book The Rich Dad Poor Dad, they said savers are the biggest losers. This is because your money saved in the bank won't and can't bring the kind of returns investment will bring. Only risk takers becomes winners. In summary, investing or saving will depend on your goal. If you have a short-term goal like buying a car or buying a house, it's best for you to save. If you have a long-term goal like saving for your retirement, it's best for you to invest that money so it can actually bring more reward in the long run. One thing that you should also note, you can save and invest at the same time. Remember, this is not a financial or investment advice. I'm just a regular guy sitting in my living room in front of a camera making a video to educate and entertain you at the same time. Please, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified every week when we drop a new video, and smash that like button. Yeah, just smash it until it cracks, because It's free and it's going to help the YouTube algorithm. Yes, so just smash it and leave a comment. Tell me what you think between investing and savings and what's best for us here. Just leave a comment and let's get the discussion rolling. Thank you for your time and have a good one. Bye now.